Video how to make a star in Figma. Go to the Shape tool in the toolbar at the top. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and select the star shape from the list. Click and drag on your canvas to create the star. To maintain proportionality, hold the Shift key while dragging. You can change the fill color by selecting the star and adjusting the fill color in the right-hand panel. With the star selected, you'll see a slider for ratio in the toolbar at the top. This controls how deep the inner points of the star go. Drag it to increase or decrease the star's inner point sharpness. You can also adjust the number of points in the star by clicking on the number of points drop-down. You can reduce it to as low for a triangle or increase it for more intricate designs like starbursts. Adjust the corner radius to make the star's corners rounded. You can find the corner radius option in the toolbar or right-hand panel. Increasing the number of points and adjusting the ratio and corner radius can allow you to create shapes like a gear icon, badge, or other custom designs.